Infrastructure and Transportation Association's Road Construction Virtual Hiring Fair. We know that it's going to take a lot of hard work of thousands of Michiganders to rebuild our infrastructure and build the state we all deserve. Today, you have the opportunity to grow your career with companies that take pride in building Michigan. For myself and thousands of Michiganders, I want to thank you for considering a line of work that gives back to this great state, and I wish you the best of luck going forward.
Hello, I'm Tony Cradafil, Chief Engineer and Chief Operating Officer for the Michigan Department of Transportation, and I want to welcome you to MITA's Virtual Hiring Fair. The COVID-19 pandemic has certainly presented many challenges for us as a society, but we adapt and get better, and I want to congratulate MITA for finding a way to continue forward with the hiring fair using virtual tools. Because the need to fix Michigan's roads and bridges is no great secret, and with Governor Whitmer's Rebuilding Michigan program, the opportunities have never been greater in our industry. So thank you for participating here today, and best of luck on your next steps to a well-paying, rewarding career in the heavy construction industry.
Thank you, Governor Whitmer and Tony Cradafel from the Michigan Department of Transportation. And with that, we will start with our first employer/presenter, the Operating Engineers Local 324. We have John Hartwell, who has a presentation for us.
Thanks, Heather. I'm John Hartwell. I'm the Career and Outreach Coordinator with Operating Engineers Local 324. We operate the heavy equipment and maintain it that you see on the roadways. I have Megan with me today, and Megan's going to run a video for us so you can get a better view of how we train. If you would start that,
to be the best, you have to learn from the best. That's why at Operating Engineers 324, our training is second to none. Our registered apprenticeships let students earn while they learn while adhering to the strict federal DOL standards. But our training is career long. We are constantly working to be the best trained, technologically advanced, and safest professionals available. From our 3 Michigan training sites in Detroit, in the Upper Peninsula, and at our 555-acre construction career center in Howell, our heavy equipment operators, technicians, and boiler and HVAC engineers never stop learning. We are at the forefront of emerging techniques, and we're doing it safely and efficiently. Roads, bridges, pipelines, and wind farms, skyscrapers, HVAC, and mechanics. We are Operating Engineers 324, and we keep Michigan running.
So as you could tell from the video, we are a statewide local. We are the heavy equipment operators local in the state of Michigan. There's about 15,000 operating engineers in the state of Michigan. And I want to talk mostly about apprenticeship today. So we have a couple different apprenticeships that I'll talk about. One of them is heavy equipment operator. Heavy equipment operator apprenticeship is 3 years long, right, in length, 6,000 hour apprenticeship. Most of that time is spent in the field working with the contractors. So it's a true earn while you learn model. Apprentices start out at 70% of what a journey person would make in the field, which is right around $20 an hour, with benefits on top of that, which would be Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Delta Dental, a pension, an annuity, vacation pay, things like that. So these are careers that we're looking at. We are Department of Labor registered apprenticeship. When you come into the apprenticeship, that's how you would get paid through that structure. Our other apprenticeship that I'm going to talk about today is a heavy equipment technician, which is our mechanics, right? Somebody has to repair all of this equipment in the field. So our mechanics, they also start out at 70% of what a journey person would make, which is $20 an hour again, with the same benefit package. And that is a 4-year, 8,000 hour apprenticeship. We're going to do applications for the apprenticeships coming up June 7th through June 11th. You can apply online. I know Heather said she'd put the information in the chat for you. Our applications, as I said, are all online. So you would check in on the 7th, be able to download an application. You have to be 17 years of age to apply to the program. You must be a high school graduate or have a GED. Drug screens are going to be mandatory across the industry. You guys will also need a valid Michigan driver's license, and you're going to have Work Keys test scores, which you can get Work Keys at Michigan Works, or a lot of the community colleges are carrying the Work Keys. There's a hot link on our website that tells you the closest facility to get those Work Keys test scores done. All of those pieces you can upload with your application and get started towards the apprenticeship program, right? What we do is we supply the talent to our signatory contractors, which we have a few of our signatory contractors on here today that you'll talk to. And it's a great opportunity. It's been a great career. I've been involved for almost 30 years now, came through the apprenticeship program. And I can't think of a better way to make a living than doing what we do. With that, thank you very much, Heather. Appreciate the opportunity.
Thank you, John. Again, I put all of the information in the chat so that you can click on those links and make notes of that time frame for accepting applications. So thank you, John. Next, we have Jim Clutie with J.E. Clutie Contracting. I hope I'm saying that right. Jim, welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, it's Jim Clute, but that's okay. Anyway, I am president of J.E. Clute Contracting. We are a heavy construction company, primarily a bridge builder. I started the business in 2000, so we've been around. This will be our 21st season. We, relative to bridge builders, we're fairly small, fairly tight-knit bunch of people. Most everyone has been with me for many years. We have very, very low turnover. We offer excellent pay, excellent benefits. We are willing to train. There really are no hurdles to advancing yourself within our business. Basically, it's a matter, I'm in touch every day. I'm on the jobs very regularly. People who have started out with absolutely no experience have worked their way all the way to the top, whatever they've chosen to pursue, whether it be foreman or operator or carpenter. All of our people enjoy the work. They enjoy the work outside and are very well rewarded for it. Generally speaking, we work in the Lower Peninsula. We have done some work in the Upper Peninsula. We stay within the state of Michigan. Our target bridge market is generally the smaller county road bridges that generally take 10 or 12 weeks to build. We generally build about 8 or 10 of those a year. We also do a little bit of marine construction, some sheet pile work, some deep foundation work, a little bit of park stuff and boardwalk type stuff. Obviously it's mine, so I'm a little bit biased, but it's a great place to work. It's a great company. It does require out of town travel, but I take care of most of the expenses there for my people. We are based in West Michigan, but my people are scattered throughout the state because travel is commonly required for the projects. So there's no real need to live in West Michigan. And I wouldn't even say that our work is primarily in West Michigan. It is primarily in the entire Lower Peninsula. So I'm not exactly certain how to get the information out of the chat, but I'll work with Heather to figure that out. But we are hiring all positions. We're looking for truck drivers, operators, carpenters, laborers, and before too long, I'm going to need a shop mechanic as well, as I have a couple of guys that have been with me forever that are getting close to retirement. So, as I said, we're happy to train, and the sky's the limit. It's a great career if you can handle the lifestyle, which does mean out of town travel during the week. So if there's any questions, I think it can be directed through Heather, and somehow or another, I'll get them.
Thank you, Jim. If you could, for those of you that are attending, on the bottom of your screen, there's a little button that says more. If you don't have the chat showing up where it says participants, Q&A, polls, chat, there's a little button, 3 dots that say more. And if you click on that, you'll be able to view the chat. I have put Jim's information and the email address that you can email your resumes and inquiries to. You can email them to the email address that is in the chat. Again, all of this will go out before or with to all of the attendees. So this information will also be available in your email and on our landing page. So with that, thank you, Jim. I would like to introduce Rick Henges from Dykema Excavators, and he will be presenting next. Rick, are you there? I see you on the screen. Are you able to unmute? Okay, not sure. We're having some technical difficulties with Rick. We are going to move on to Tanya Johnson from Give 'em a Break, and then we will come back to you, Rick. You can put me a message in the chat when you're ready to go. So Tanya, go ahead and take us away.
Good afternoon, everyone. Again, my name is Tanya Johnson. I'm the HR manager with Give 'em a Break Safety. Give 'em a Break Safety has over 125 years of combined experience ranging from traffic plan design, estimating, administration, and in-field crews. Safety is our #1 priority. We are looking for, we're looking for traffic regulating flaggers, road sign installation. We also do road closures, lane closures, emergency jobs as needed, and we provide equipment to events like parades, festivals, and concerts. We want people that have a positive attitude, that are hardworking and dedicated to providing a safe environment to our clients, pedestrians, drivers, and our coworkers. Why would you want to work for GEBS? We have a family environment. Everybody knows everybody. Managers work with our employees to try to find the best fit for them. We are very flexible in our scheduling based on the needs that you have. We have company outings. We do company picnics. We have tubing in some of our locations. We have get-togethers, karaoke nights, whatever. We are a big family. And then we do GEBS Gives Back events. All of our locations, we do have 7 locations, work around Christmas time to dedicate funds that are raised throughout the year to a local charity. And GEBS matches whatever each branch raises, dollar for dollar. We have outstanding growth potential. So you may come in as a entry-level position, a laborer, and we provide the stepping stone for you to have a career there. Our hopes are that you move up to a lead and then perhaps a manager, going to sales or estimating. The possibilities are endless. We have paid training and seminars. We provide the foundation for great career. Like I just said, we really want people that want to work and have a lifelong job career. We have unique profit sharing programs. 4 times a year, we provide incentive comp bonuses. These are paid out based on the profitability of the company. And we have great employee benefits. Some of those benefits include company pays a large portion of our medical benefits. company-paid dental, vision, and life insurance. We have HRA and flex spending. We have PTO and holiday pay. You are eligible from day one for that. And 401k with a 5% matching. And here are a few testimonials from some of our great employees.
Favorite thing about working here is how family oriented everything is. And
I said I started here at age 53, and where do you get an opportunity like that at that age? Somebody to hire you, but they took me on, and I'm grateful for the job. And
I like the opportunity and the pay.
And I really like it because it's more of a family atmosphere.
And what I really like about the job is meeting new people when we are out on the road.
I love the staff. The staff is great. Our Jackson staff is just wonderful. So this is one of the reasons why I love working here.
The things that I love about the company are the people here. We're all a pretty great team. We work real hard. We're willing to train people. Being on the road, I love being outdoors. So if you like outdoors, it's really nice. The great benefits that you get from your family, all that stuff. The people up in the office are amazing. Yeah, so Give 'em a Break is awesome.
So you can apply at gbsafety.com/jobs. Visit our career page on our website, and Heather will also post that on the links below. Thanks so much, and we hope to talk to you soon.
Thank you very much, Tanya. We are going to check back with Rick. Are you able to present and to hear me, Rick? Your video and mic are in the lower left-hand corner of the screen in case sometimes they're hard to find or pop up. So we will check back with you in a few more minutes. Hopefully we're able to make this work. Next up, we have Jamie Klump from Hardman Construction. Welcome, Jamie.
Thanks, Heather, and thanks for letting me share a little bit about Hardman today. I'm actually going to share my screen, so bear with me real quick. I thought it would be good for everybody to see the actual work that happens out on the job site at Hardman. So Hardman Construction, we're a self-perform contractor who primarily builds bridges, and we're working for MDOT in that instance. Our bridge work usually entails actually demoing the current bridge and then replacing it with a new structure. We're also a geotechnical construction company. And when I first started, I was like, what the heck does that mean? And basically what geotechnical construction is it is stabilizing the earth. So when we're thinking about a vertical build, usually we're thinking about the construction from the ground up, and Hardman is focused on the construction from the ground down. So we use a bunch of different applications and different techniques in order to stabilize that earth. We're not laying down, like a concrete slab or any type of foundation, concrete foundation, but what we're doing is we're actually creating the foundation for a foundation in that instance. We are headquartered in Ludington, Michigan, and most of our work, about 95% of it, takes place all over Michigan. We're in the UP, we're down in the Lower Peninsula, all over the state of Michigan. That additional 5% usually happens in northern Indiana and in northern Ohio. We are a union contractor, and the unions that we are involved with are the carpenters, the operating engineers, and the laborers. Through those different unions, we do have our employees that are out in the field join one of those unions. If you aren't a union, if you're not a union member currently, but you are interested in becoming a union employee, we definitely love to continue the conversation with you. Currently, we are looking for bridge and form carpenters. We're also looking for certified welders, certified crane operators, and pile drivers. So again, if you don't have any past experience in any one of those 4 professions, we'd definitely like to continue the conversation with you because we are huge on training. Training is one of the biggest things that we push and that we love to give to new employees coming to us. Most of the training does happen on the job. We also have specialized training for specialized pieces of equipment or for different techniques. And then we also work very closely with the 3 unions that I mentioned earlier, and utilize their training programs along with their apprenticeship programs. We love the apprenticeship programs that the unions are able to partner with us on, get great apprentices out of those 3 programs that then become great journey people for us, and sometimes they also become superintendents and foremen as well. So Hardman Construction has about 80 employees, and that 80 employee number is great for us because it's just big enough where we can do some really awesome big work, but it's also small enough where we can still keep that family feel. One of the best things about Hardman is our company culture. We, again, have that family feel. Everyone, knows everyone. We're having deep conversations with one another. It's not, just small talk when we're out on the job site. It's, going out there and actually being able to talk to one another about each other's families, how things are going. Our president is out on the job site on a weekly basis. And, it's not to, see just how the jobs are going, but it's also to connect with our employees. So our employees and what the individuals do out in the field, the real work is super important to us. So if you haven't visited our website or don't know much about Hardman Construction, I would definitely encourage you to go to our website. It's just www.hardmanconstruction.com, and there you can see the different applications that we utilize out in the field, along with some of the awesome jobs that we've worked on in the past. You can also apply online as well, and that's just by clicking the careers link on our website, and there's an online application there, as well as my information, including my email address and my direct office line. So with that being said, I just want to thank everyone for allowing me to share a little bit of Hardman Construction with you, and I will stop sharing my screen and let the next individual go on.
Thank you, Jamie. I have put the information for Hardman Construction in the chat there. And we are going to move on to Jeff Groters from Traffic Management. I apologize if I'm slaughtering names here, guys. Jeff, why don't you go ahead and take it away?
Sounds good. Thank you. You got it right the first time. It's Jeff Groters. I am head of operations for our Grand Rapids branch. And I'm going to start here with a little short video. Share my screen for a second here.
Want a job with a future? Then control the road to your future by becoming a traffic controller. By being a hero of safety, you'll keep construction zones safe for crews and the public. Traffic Management Incorporated, America's premier traffic control company, has immediate openings, no experience necessary. Start immediately. Paid training, great benefits with a company culture that offers opportunity for rapid advancement. Don't wait. Control the road to your future and apply now.
Okay, so Traffic Management is a company that has been around now for about 25 years, started out in California, and we have steadily grown over the years. Right now, we're looking for people that really want to be a part of a fast-growing, cutting-edge company and turn it into a career. We're not looking for somebody that's got a ton of experience. We don't need it. We'll train you. We'll teach you everything you need to know. We're a growing company. Last year was rough on a lot of different companies. We actually got bigger. We added multiple branches and are continuing to do so. It's year-round work. We are, a lot of our customers have jobs year-round. We don't lay people off for winters. you know, it doesn't slow down. We go 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year round. So we're looking for people that we can train who are interested in a potential career, and you know, it's an exciting opportunity. So let us know if you're interested. I'll stop sharing my screen here.
Thank you, Jeff.
Thanks.
We have added traffic management information in the chat and the link to their careers page. Next up, we have Jessica Fowler with Anlon Corporation. Welcome, Jessica.
Hi, thanks a lot for having us today, and I appreciate everybody taking a chance to log in and check out the virtual career fair. And go ahead and get some information shared here real quick for you. All right, as Heather said, my name is Jessica, and I'm Human Resources Administrator for Anlon Corporation. Kind of the theme of the day seems to be quite a few heavy civil contractors and specializing in building bridges. And we are celebrating 35 years this year of building bridges. Who are we? We were founded in 1986 by Don Anderson and Garrett Trelon. That is where our name came from, Anlon. Our main office is located in Grand Haven, so right over here in West Michigan, just 30 miles west of Grand Rapids. In 2007, a group of former employees actually purchased Anlon from Don and Garrett. And the exciting thing about that is Don and Garrett were very particular that they wanted to make sure that it was people they had mentored. And so these were former employees that were mentored by them. And that allows us to ensure that while we've grown into a very large contractor, we still are able to retain our small company values. And under that current ownership, we've been able to grow into a multi-million-dollar company and multi-state bridge contractor. We've completed jobs in Michigan, Indiana, and also North Carolina. What we do, we're specializing in new construction, so replacement, complete tear down of bridges and new bridge construction, rehabilitation, piling, sheeting, and earth retention. The image that you see here is a section of M13 in Saginaw County, where we're constructing 2 large bridges over the Flint River. And this picture, we're actually getting ready to pour the new bridge deck. So I could talk and talk and talk and show you guys different slides, but let's show some pictures of the different projects, and you guys can see exactly where you'd be working and the type of work that you guys would be performing. As far as our new construction goes, this particular photo is of M6. We were erecting a large, extremely heavy tub girder that carries M6 over I-196 near Hudsonville. We actually used 2 cranes and lifting towers to fully complete this erection. This pedestrian bridge over the Cass River was a 300-foot long prefabricated bridge that we installed. M139 over St. Joseph River, we did complete demo of this bridge and replacement, a large 3-span bridge across the St. Joe River, and this is in Niles. And this is our most recent completed project. This is M30. If you guys recall that we had all the flooding last year in the Gladwin area and completely wiped out the existing bridge, the structure that was there. And we were hired by MDOT to construct a 200-foot long temporary bridge that would allow traffic to get from one side of the river to the other until they're able to find a more permanent solution for that. And then we also have bridge rehabilitation. This is one of my favorite photos that we have. I can't imagine being able to look out over Lake Michigan every day on your lunch break like this. This is, of course, US 2 over the Cut River in the Upper Peninsula, just west of St. Ignace. This picture shows the rebar in place and the bridge deck finishing machine in the background. We also get to do some more historic work. There's not very many covered bridges left in Michigan, but we were able to tear this structure down to its skeleton, provide structural upgrades, and replace the siding, decking, and roofing on the bridge. And I-96 over US 131, we rehabilitated 10 bridges in Grand Rapids, completed the work 1 bound at a time, and completed all the work in just 1 summer. So a very tight deadline. I'm really proud of our guys and our crews that were able to get this completed. Looking at some of the piling work that we do in here is 196 and 96 interchange, where we constructed 2 new bridges at the interchange in Grand Rapids while maintaining all the existing traffic. And this allowed for safer traffic flow through this particular area. Looking at some of our sheeting and our earth retention, College Avenue here shows our deep earth retention system that we use to support the existing ground around the abutment construction locations. This allowed us to construct deep foundations for the bridge while not impacting the surrounding area. And then Johnson Street, this job had 3 miles of driven piling installed right next to a very large dam. All of the foundations were completed inside of large, deep cofferdams. And the neat thing about this is most of the bridge construction work was actually completed while our equipment was floating in the river on barges. All right, so other than those jobs, why work for Anlon? Diversity. We have great opportunities to work with various tools and equipment. You can see the array of projects that we're on all throughout the state of Michigan. So you'd be looking at and doing something different every job that you run into. Competitive pay. We are a union contractor looking for laborers, operators, and carpenters. And so all those employees do sign up with the specified unions. And that does entitle you to some great benefits, health insurance, pension, as operators touched on, their dental, annuity, vacation, lots of wonderful programs, and as well as the apprenticeship programs that they offer. Earning while you're learning and not having to pay to go to school. And we definitely put a priority on that. And we want to see all of our people learn. You can come to us not knowing anything about the industry. And that's one of our favorite parts, is being able to see someone grow in their knowledge and with the company. And then safety in our company is a culture, and our safety director is very committed to making sure that you guys feel comfortable and safe at all times, and you're always welcome to get in touch with him. And then we also offer longevity bonuses. So each year that you are with Anlon, you will see increased pay and bonuses for that longevity. But I've talked a lot. What are some of the things our employees say? I love that I'm part of a strong company, and in years to come, I could look back on all I've done to make and build up better bridges and roads. Tommy Nash, one of our laborers. Working at Anlon has provided me with new skills and opportunities in life. Anlon keeps me busy and engaged, which is how I love to spend my time. Another one of our laborers, Reason Tillman Morgan. And then one of our project superintendents. When I interviewed, I knew I made the right choice. I hope to enjoy many more years. The owners, office, workers in the field have all been great. And this is a great photo here of Reason and Tommy. They actually started with us completely brand new to the industry, and they came on under MDOT's on-the-job training program. And we were able to watch them learn the trade and to help them grow in their positions. And they now have a great career ahead of them with Anlon, and this is a photo of their graduation day. So super proud moment. How can you learn more about Anlon? We have the QR code here if you want to scan that. That'll take you right to our jobs page, and I know Heather is going to be posting a link to that as well in the chat. Otherwise, you can connect to us on social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. You can hit our website, www.anlon.com, and under employment, you can just click on current job openings and apply there. Or if you'd like an old-fashioned paper application or just want to find out some more information, feel free to give us a call or an email. You can email me at the address listed there, or set up one of the interview appointments that Heather talked about. We really look forward to talking to you and telling you some more about Anlon and seeing if it would be a great fit. Thanks a lot, you guys.
Thank you very much, Jessica. Again, I have put Anlon's information in the chat. Rick Henges from Dykema is having some technical difficulties, so I would like to speak on behalf of them. Dykema is an excavating company, family owned, from the Grand Rapids area. They are looking for a gravel train driver, dozer operator with GPS, excavators, and laborers. So you can email your resumes to rick@dykemaexcavators.com, which I will put in the chat. And I will also put their phone number in there if you would like to call their office. So we'd like to thank Dykema Excavators for participating in today's event and apologize for the connection issues. Up next, we have Ellie Reed with ML Chartier. And Ellie, why don't you take it away?
Thank you, Heather. Just give me one moment to share my screen and I will get started. Oh. All right. Okay, can you see my screen okay?
You are good to go, Ellie.
Great, thank you very much. So just like Heather said, my name is Ellie. I am the HR generalist here at ML Chartier. We are an excavating contractor that serves the entire state of Michigan. So we do everything from road building, site development, trucking, and we even have a hydro excavation division. We have been in business since 1954. We are family owned and we have multiple locations throughout the state of Michigan. That being said, we are growing incredibly fast and we are looking for quite a few team members. So this is everything from mechanics, heavy equipment operators, laborers, hydrovac operators, and even a few estimators at a few of our locations. So we're able to offer premium wages, we have full benefit packages, and we also have a lot of growth opportunity within our company. One of our favorite things to do is watch someone grow into a supervisor or a manager, or even just a team lead within our company. And truthfully, I think that's what makes us unique. So we did put this video together. So I'm going to play it and Heather will drop a link to our application online and we look forward to seeing everyone's application.
What's nice about us here at ML Chartier is that we have such a wide array of versatile employees that can overcome and adapt. When we say, hey, we need to get this job, we have to work extra time. We have to work extra hard. We tell our people what we need to do and they run with it. And I think that's what sets us apart. We have a lot of people that we can fall back on in our organization. We can do anything. I mean, we're one-stop shopping. You know, if you can provide them turnkey services from start to finish, that's going to make us very, very appealing. And I think that's what ML Chartier can offer people. The Chartier family treats you like family and makes you feel welcome and wanted. That makes people want to work hard because if they succeed, we all succeed. There's nothing more exhilarating than going out and selling a project to the customer. And even more so than that is to be able to hand the project back over to the customer and say, here you go. And you get to do that here with ML Chartier and, you know, to know that you're appreciated at the end of the day. That gets me excited to be able to work for a company like that is pretty amazing.
That is all I have. You can apply directly on our website at mlchartier.com under our career page, but we also have the link to the application in the chat. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ellie. Again, I have put the information for ML Chartier in the chat. The next company we have presenting is Jessica Bunch from PK Contracting, and she has sent in a video, so hang tight and I will get that in.
PK Contracting is Michigan's top pavement marking contractor and one of the largest pavement marking contractors in the country. We have offices in Troy, Oxford, Marquette, Lake City, St. John's, Kalamazoo, and Gaylord. We're looking to add road workers, yard workers, mechanics, office staff, and management positions to our team at all of our locations. We offer top industry pay with plenty of overtime opportunities, excellent benefits, and an exciting and rewarding environment. Applicants with a chauffeur's license or a Class A CDL are encouraged to apply through our website, pkcontracting.com. We look forward to hearing from you.
Thank you, PK Contracting. I will put their information again in the chat as well. And next up, we have Pam Gillis from Michigan Paving and Materials. Pam, I could have sworn I saw you on here. Looks like she has hopped off, or with that, we will move on to the County Road Association, and we have Dustin Early with the County Road Association. I do have 2 videos, Dustin, if you would like me to share them after you speak.
Yes, please. Thank you. Thanks again to Heather and Ken and Maida for putting this on for all of us to show off these great jobs available in Michigan. As Heather said, we have a video that'll explain a little bit of the advantages and some of the great reasons why county road agency employees love working for their county road agencies. We have great hours, good benefits, and you get to really make a long-lasting contribution in your own community. So jobs are available all across the state. Summer help is being employed right now. As you'll see in our video, you can head over to micountyroads.org for more information and to see open positions across the state. And with that, I will let the video do the talking.
Thank you, Dustin. I will share this video now. And
hi, my name's Emily and I work for the Washtenaw County Road Commission. If you're looking for a job, a county road agency is a great place to check out. We do a variety of tasks. There's all sorts of different jobs available at each county agency, and every day you get to serve your friends and family that travel the roads all the time. If you want to find out more, we'd love for you to check out this video that follows my introduction, and you can always visit micountyroads.org to learn more. There's a job board posting there where county jobs are posted across the state. We update it regularly. There's lots of information about all the different road agencies across the state of Michigan, and we'd love for you to join our team.
I was going to college, going for a journeyman apprenticeship, and I kind of got the job as part-time, and then kind of realized I liked all the diverse jobs that we have there, and we're always doing something different every day. It's not consistent, same things, and I kind of enjoy that, and a full-time position opened up, so I applied for it. We have 410s in the summer, and it's great. I enjoy the weekends with my family and get to go places and do other things instead of taking a vacation day on a Friday to take off to have a 3-day weekend or something like that.
My favorite part of the job would be finishing a project. There's lots of jobs where you don't always get to see the finished product, but starting a job in the morning, finishing, catch basin at the end of the day, I like that, and I like flexibility.
My job consists of helping develop, design, oversee projects. I install, replace, maintain all our sign logs and the signs on the road. I grew up in the community I work in. I live there, raised my family there, and it's just giving back, making it a better place for my family. You drive those roads every day, your family drive those roads, your friends. You can say when the project's completed that, hey, I was part of that, I helped provide that. It's more of a sense of pride. It brings it back, ties it around to helping your community out.
My favorite part would be working on such a wide variety of equipment we work on everything from chainsaws all the way to paving equipment. So you don't get that opportunity pretty much anywhere else.
It's great to being able to pioneer new technology in the community. In the hold-in-place recycling, when we finish a road, we get to hear all the feedback from the residents that live on the road, that how appreciative they are for what we did for them.
Dustin, do you want to say anything to finish up?
No, just that you see the website there. Go ahead and head there, look for the open positions. Under our staff contacts, you'll find my information on the page. So if you have any other additional questions, reach out to me that way, or we've made ourselves available for the Q&A sessions that Maida's hosting. So just look forward to hearing from people, and thank you again for the opportunity.
Thank you, Dustin. The last presenter we have today is actually just a little video from the MDOT OJT program. Jessica Fowler talked a little bit about this with Anlon. Many of the companies that presented today are part of this opportunity through MDOT. It is an on-the-job training opportunity where you can literally learn how to be a road construction worker without any experience. So I'm going to share this video with you. I'll put the information to the program. The Michigan Department of Transportation also offers many opportunities for transportation workers on their website, and I will also put that in the chat. So with that, I'm going to share this video.
I've been doing construction since I was 18. I'm 34 now, and I've just been doing it all my life.
I just started doing it right after high school.
I just kind of ended up in it one day. I was like, well, I might as well just try it and see how it goes. And this is my second year doing it now, and I actually really enjoy it.
I chose this as a career because my brother's in it. He told me to come out and try it, and I've been here ever since.
I pretty much said, why not try it out? After my first day, I knew it was something I loved and something I pursued.
The best part is learning. I mean, there's always something new to learn. There's always a challenge, and that's one thing that I really enjoy.
Most other people, they don't realize that construction, you know, they pay you to learn. You know, you're not going to college, putting yourself in debt.
I knew that school was just not enough for me.
I didn't go to school for it, so I just showed up, and I mean, they're going to train you, so.
The OJT program has been a great opportunity for me.
When I first started working here, I didn't know anything. Everything that I've been taught, everybody taught me that I worked with.
And also, I get a lot of incentives.
The stuff that you need for work, your work boots, your safety glasses, raincoats, anything you need for work. The reimbursement is there. I mean, they just have your back no matter what.
There's such a demand for workers right now.
You can get into it very easily.
I mean, you could be a laborer, a carpenter, operator. There's all different kinds of things you can be, and I think it'd be a good job for anybody, as long as they're willing to work.
You come out here straight out of school, not know anything like about this kind of stuff, and you'll kill it, so.
Thank you for MDOT, their OJT program. Actually, we do have one other video for you. Pam Gillis from Michigan Paving and Materials is struggling a little bit with her internet. So I'm going to show you one of their videos and then put the information to Michigan Paving and Materials in the chat. And hopefully you can go there and check out, they are hiring across the state of Michigan today. So with that, I'm going to share this last video and then we will close up for today's meeting. Sorry about that, everybody. I realized I was muted the whole time. Thank you, Michigan Paving. I have put their link in the chat, or I will be here in a second. They are hiring for positions, all sorts of positions across the state of Michigan. I encourage you to go to their website and check out all of the opportunities that they have to offer. And with that, I'm going to hand it over to Ken Bertolini, and he is going to close out the remainder of our hiring fair today.
Thank you, Heather. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of our sponsors. We have a really good group of sponsors, not naming all of them, but including MDOT, OE324, Michigan Concrete Association, Michigan Aggregate Association, just a number of organizations that have stepped up to make this event happen. So thank you to them. I would also like to thank the contractors for taking time out of your day and being a part of this. As Heather mentioned, we're going to be sending you all roughly 75 people that have signed up to be a part of this throughout the state. And so you'll receive all of their resumes, all of their contact information. Thank you, attendees, for taking time out of your day to be a part of this. Again, if you would like to sign up to meet with a number of these companies next week, that Sign Up Genius link that was sent out earlier, please click on that. And we will forward those times and the interests that you have in the companies to those companies, and they will reach out and contact you and set up a face-to-face meeting, either virtually, phone, or in-house. So again, thanks for being a part of this. We're looking forward to a strong 2021 construction season. There's a great need for people out there, and we're doing our best to help our companies fill those spots. Everybody have a great day.
We will stand for just a few minutes to leave the chat open for anyone who would like to copy that, as well as if there are any questions, we can answer those as well. You will get a copy of this in your email, both the employers and the attendees. Thank you so much for attending. Again, we'll stay on for till about 2 o'clock, and then we'll close it up.